Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you've learned on how to use the Dripjobs. So first and foremost, the Dripjobs is the CRM or the Customer Relationship Management and Marketing website. So it's built specifically for home service businesses like pressure washing, lawn care, cleaning services, landscaping, painting, and similar trade. So it helps service business get more customers, manage jobs, and get paid all in one system. So first thing that you should do here is you have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to search for dripjobs.com and you would be directed to this website. Okay, so right here, as you can see, you can book a demo or start a 14-day free trial. So for example, we are going to book a demo. So here, all you have to do is to select your date. Okay, so for example, this one. And then after that, you just have to choose your preferred time. Okay, so maybe let's go with 5:30 a.m. And then after that, you just have to enter here your details. Okay, and here you can also start with the 14 day free trial. But since we don't have a company email and I cannot use my email right here, my company email. So since they have this here on their website, so I'm going to discuss to you the benefits of using this tool. Okay, so right here, this is how it looks like inside the tool. So this is your sales pipeline right here. So as you can see, you'd be able to see your cold leads. So you can create different categories right here, and then you can also change your view. So we have these options, and then here you can see your total deals and then your total value, and then you'd be able to create your new proposal or new appointment, new lead, or new request. So you have here all of the labels. So for example, you would like to view the deal, you can view the contact, the advanced deal, new proposal, new appointment, and more. Okay, next is you can create stunning proposal, e-sign, and collect payments. So you can give your customers a unique buying experience with the Dripjobs customer portal. So here you can see you can sign and sell on the spot. You can sell proposal by email or text. You can showcase photos and videos, add terms and conditions, and then accept online payments. Next is you can sell more jobs with proposal options. Okay, so the Dripjobs proposal options allows your customer the ability to purchase option items without the back and forth. So yeah, it is pretty awesome. So you can add like additional or add optional items to proposals. Customer can add to cart, proposal updates automatically. So customer can accept, sign, and pay. And of course, you can increase your sales 3 times. Okay, so here, so the Dripjobs automatically automates the process of getting a new lead and setting an appointment. So yes, it's almost like having an unfair superpower. So you can send lead to Dripjobs, lead receives automated text and email, lead schedules appointment, Dripjobs updates stage and notifies you. So you can view your proposal right here. Okay, so you have your new lead, you have your follow-up text, and more. So here, further features. So the Dripjobs is packaged with awesome features designed to streamline your productivity and then help you take control of your business like never before. So automated text, email drips. So they've included over 40 pre-written text and email drip messages for you to send to your customers. So all you have to do is to add your customers and they send, and that's easy. Edit, delete, add, or enhance the drips. For sales, jobs, and pipeline, so pipelines make it easy for you to see where each one of your customers fall in the buying process. This is also how they're able to send direct messages to them and automatically. For the invoice and collect payments, so here, easily send invoices and collect payments with the Dripjobs Stripe integration, request deposit, process payments, and the final balances with ease. And yeah, build stunning proposals. So appointment and job schedule, production rate estimating. So if you are a painting contractor, you can try the powerful production rate estimation feature to easily automate your estimating. Okay, so as you can see right here for the project management, so Dripjobs is packed with awesome features designed to streamline your productivity and help you take control of your business like never before. So here, you can easily adjust already accepted proposals and have client signs. So as you can see right here, we have this project accepted, the project scheduled, in progress, and the project complete. So you have this different categories right here, different cards where you can clearly see the progress of each jobs that you have right here or the total deals. And for your crew management, okay, so as you can see, you can schedule crews and keep track of the crew revenue. Okay, so again, for the change orders, so you have that right here. You can view your work order, you can create new change of order, you can add item on or add area. Okay, so with the drip jobs, it predicts revenue with the job costing. So you can easily track labor and material costs on projects to identify your job profitability. So you can add employees and subcontractors, input project labor cost, add material and miscellaneous cost, QuickBooks time integration. And here, Dripjobs is equipped with one of the most powerful appointment scheduling system in the game. So you can review and accept estimate requests, color coordinate and filter by event type and user, reschedule and send update text plus email, and then dispatch salespeople to appointments. Okay, so for example, this one right here, Dripjobs chat, it separates the business and the personal. Customers respond to automated text, emoji support and like support, two-way texting, custom phone number, send photos, Collab, App Store, and Google Play, and push notifications. So basically, Dripjobs saves time, less manual texting, calling, and increase book jobs through automation, keeps everything leads to jobs to payments in one place. So this tool is for small to medium service-based businesses, owners who want automation instead of manual booking, and businesses that rely on local customers. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.